Welcome back, everybody. Let's find out how to add a custom token to your Metamask wallet. Let's go.
All right, let's import that smart chain token in your Metamask wallet. So we're back on the view of the Metamask wallet, right? So we see we are on the BNB chain. We have BNB as a native token. You will need some for gas fees for later. And we will need to go on import a token. All right, so let's click on it. And here we have a custom token import window. So now we need to get the token details, and we will do that from the coin market cap. Okay, so now we see the coin market cap window. You can see we are in coin market cap. I have already found a project or token that we will import in your Metamask wallet. I will use Games for Living or GFAL at the time, right? So let's focus now, go down on the contracts here. So this is the Games for Living projects smart chain token. We can see here you can add directly to MetaMask, or you can copy to clipboard. We will use the copy function at this time.
So if you are new to crypto and you want to learn all the little things and little steps about the industry, I really welcome you to follow the channel, like video, and also share it around. Share with other people that might benefit from such information. So like, subscribe, and share. Let's go.
Okay, back on MetaMask. Here on the token contract address, you will paste in the contract you copied from CoinMarketCap. You click out, and it will automatically generate the token symbol and token decimal. Click on next. Here is just confirming that this is the token. This is the ticker GFAL you would like to import. Here is just showing that the balance is 0 because you don't own any yet. If you would have bought already and transferred them into MetaMask wallet, it will show you how many GFAL tokens you have. Click on import. Okay. Click back here to the total view, and here you see your GFAL tokens. It's that simple.